Hello everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change what you are looking for on Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on the little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now in here you can see the pencil icon near your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be appear with your profile details. Here you can edit your profile details. Now scroll down, you can see the relationship goals, and in there you can see looking for. I have set it to my new friends. Now once you tap on it, you'll be appear with different options, which is long-term partner, long-term open to short-term open to long, and many more. You can just go ahead and select it on anyone which you want. Now once you select any type of category, the Tinder application will suggest you the type of persons who have the same choice or same interest as you. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.